Hello everyone. In this heat, I wanted to bring out a old Indian recipe which is blend of mild yogurt and heavy spices at the same time. This offers a symphony of taste to your keto taste buds. So let's get cooking. Ingredients are round sliced brinjal, onion, Greek yogurt, coconut oil, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin seed powder, and chili flakes. Heat some oil in the pan. Now fry brinjal slices in the hot oil. It will take 5 to 7 minutes per side. In the meanwhile, I am taking another pan for tadka. Add oil in the pan. Add ginger garlic paste and fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Add onion paste and fry for 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. One side of brinjal slices are cooked. Now change the side. Sprinkle some salt on the slices and let it cook from another side. Keep stirring the onion until it becomes light brown in color. Now both sides of brinjal slices are done. Remove the first batch from the pan. Now fry another batch in similar manner. And our onions are also cooked. Add turmeric powder, salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder. Add some water so that spices do not get burnt. Mix it well. Add some more water and cook for a few minutes. Keep stirring until the oil separates from the mixture. Add half cup of water and let it boil. Sprinkle some salt on the brinjal slices and change the side. Our curry for brinjal seems to be done. Now remove this pan from the heat. Our second batch of brinjal is also cooked. Take out the brinjal slices into plate. Add some salt into the Greek yogurt. Mix it well and keep it aside. Now it's a time to put fried brinjal slices into the tadka. Turn them over. All the pieces of brinjal should be coated with spicy tadka. It's a time for plating. Take out some hot pieces of brinjals. Add yogurt on the top of the brinjal just before serving. Garnish it with spring onions and chili flakes. And it's ready to be served. This acts as a great main with keto rice or keto rotis. Thanks for watching.